Gemini AI helps create my presentation deck while I enjoy my coffee. Here's how you can do it too. All right, here I'm in Google Slides. Okay, Google Slides here. So what you're going to do, create a blank presentation. So once you're in here, if you want to get Gemini to help you, select this presentation. Now this is something new, okay? Not slides, right? But the presentation, just click on the presentation. Then you'll see Gemini right over here. So what you want is just tell it what you want to do, create a presentation, okay? So now you can tell it to do, let me just put a simple creation on the following topic, okay? Something like this. And then I will copy, paste, okay? Some simple outline. Right? And then I enter. It will ask me, okay, what are presentation styles? Now I want you to follow my, okay, my company styles, okay, or template. So just go to the Google Drive, right? I have this already ready. So this is one. Now make sure it's saved in Google Sheet format, not PowerPoint format. Yeah. So when you drag it into your Google Drive, make sure you click Save as a Google Sheet format. Then you will see this. So I'll just select this, add. Okay. Now you will add more source, you can. Yeah. So then if you don't, then just next. And then it will start collecting info and start building it while you can enjoy your coffee. All right. So let's come back a little while, okay, while it is working on it. Yeah. Okay. So now after roughly less than a minute, it basically comes back and asks you for your thoughts. Right? Who is your primary audience? Okay. Let's say here we're gonna put it in okay. Presentations present to who? We have to present information, key points. Okay, wait. Let's do medium. Choose the key goals to teach lead generation skills. Right. Then you go back and again do its own stuff. Yeah. Okay. So roughly around 50 seconds later, it comes back with this. Yeah. And steps tells you what are the presentations going to be like. Okay, here. So there's roughly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Now, I mean, just for demo, you can continue to add, right? Step to it. Okay. So for me, for this demo, I'll just click approve. And then it will start creating the slides for you. Okay, finally, after 7 minutes, 25 seconds, right? So around 7 minutes and a half, okay, it finally done. Yeah, you can see here it's finally done. It's not only creating here and it shows you the process that it actually creating all these slides and then it reviews it, align the header and blah, 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 all this stuff. Yeah. So this is the slides, okay, that it created for us. You can see here. Yeah. And basically it follows the so-called the format that I want. Yeah, let me see. This is the slides that I want it to follow the format. Yeah, you can see here. So basically it has the same look and feel, except maybe this title page. I want it to be something like this, right? Now, the beauty is you can see here, everything is editable. Yeah, it's not like some other AI, it will create and then basically you can't change it, right? It's just like a picture file. But over here, everything is editable, right? You can see here. Yeah, everything is editable. Yeah. And you don't like the photos, you can change it. Okay. So now you have a so-called slide deck presentation AI assistant to help you draft your so-called presentations. Now, of course, I will not use directly and let it just come up with any content. So input is very important, right? Put in the data. If your presentation on certain report that you have your data, insert your data like Excel sheets, okay? Give it more information so that it can actually follow that and create a presentation that really helps you. Okay, so treat this Gemini like your assistant. Okay, the more information you give them, the better the presentation that you will create to suit you. Okay, I hope this video will help you. Go try it out and let me know whether you like it or you hate it. Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.